Hey guys, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with a super quick video on the MagGlass screen protector for the Google Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro. This screen protector comes to us from the case company Encased. I have been a big fan of Encased products in the past. I've never used their screen protectors, but I love their cases. They are very protective and they do a great job of protecting your device. Now, the screen protector is very protective. I was able to use it in several different scenarios. I've actually dropped it already. I was out working in the garage and I dropped it on the floor there by mistake while I was listening to some music. No problems with that. It survived the fall. There was no impact damage. Nothing at all that would cause any problems with the screen protector. The screen protector does come with everything you need to install it, and the only problem I had was during the application process. I used the guide, and this is my issue. I don't think this was an issue with the screen protector itself, but I somehow messed up just a little bit, and I got my little camera cut out there, so it wasn't completely lined up. And it doesn't cut off the camera, but if you look really close, you can see that it just doesn't line up there 100%. Again, I take responsibility for that. It was entirely my fault, not a fault of the screen protector or the process. It was just Roy messing up. Now, the other thing I do want to point out here is on the back. It does come with a screen protector for your cameras. The screen protector is device specific. There is one for the Pixel 9 as well as the Pixel 9 Pro. Now, because of the size of the screen protector, I made a boo-boo, and when I was taking off a case for another video, I applied some pressure here, and instead of putting it where I should have, I had my thumb right there over that hole, and I happened to apply just enough pressure where it cracked. That's not something that you would see in a normal situation. Normally when you're using your device, you're not going to be taking cases off and on every day like I do, and it's something that should protect your device, and it will provide some protection for that camera bump. Just be careful when you're taking cases off and on. Now, despite my mishap with the back screen protector and with my accidental application error there, it's a great screen protector that I would definitely recommend. It does protect your device, it looks good, it goes on very easily, and I love the feel of it. It feels very comfortable and there's no issues using it. And just one other quick note, I would recommend going into your settings and finding your display settings and then adjusting the touch sensitivity. I did have some issues when I set up my fingerprint sensor. I needed to reset it up with the screen protector on in order to get that going. Just make sure you turn on that screen protector mode there, and that'll help eliminate that and make it a little bit smoother and easier for you in the future. If you guys have any questions about the installation process, about the screen protector, or about any of Encased other products, or about the Pixel 9, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and I'll reply as soon as I'm available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.